Okay, quick training for Google Sheets on how to sort and filter data. This is my heading row in bold here at the top, and I'm going to drag this thick bar from the corner down, and you'll notice that now there's a thick bar across here, and that's going to lock my first row in place, and I can scroll below that, and the first row stays the same. Now you can actually grab this and move it down even farther if you have multiple rows you want to stay at the top and then just scroll the rest of it. Just want to let you know that. But in my case, I only need the first row. And then I would like to sort by my numbers over here on the left. And you'll notice there's this little triangle here at the top of the column. And you just click it and say, I want to sort my sheet from A to Z. And now all my ones are together, my twos together, and my threes together. Differences between Google Sheets and Excel in this case is Excel would like you to select the data that you want to sort and have it stay all together. And Excel will sort this column separate from this column. But Google Sheets doesn't do that. Google Sheets assumes that the entire sheet is your data set and that you will always want to keep all your rows together. And so it does that. It automatically keeps all your rows together. So if I wanted this second column to be sorted alphabetically, I could grab the little triangle at the top of the second column and say sort my sheet. And now I have all the A's at the top and the T's at the bottom. Okay? Now there's another setting that I need to show you, and that is a feature called filtering. Now filtering is under this data menu item, and you want to create a filter. When you click create filter, it puts these little filtery things. And if I want to filter my sheet and I only want to see the ones, I can uncheck the twos and threes, click OK, and it's filtered all of my data, and I only see the rows that have a 1 in this column. And then I can change that to only do twos or only do threes or whatever your data is. And if you want to put it all back, you can just click select all and click OK. And then if you want to stop filtering, you can go up to data, turn off filters, and you're back to where you were to begin with. Okay, so that's just a quick little overview about filtering and sorting. And you can always go on Google or YouTube and search for Google Sheets sorting or filtering or any other topic you want to learn about.